Alright, so we have seen the PLC operation mode. Now in this video we will see how we can reverse the direction of the motor in the steps, in the PLC steps. Right now we have seen that motor is running continuously in one direction. So to reverse the direction, this is the parameter 79, which says PLC forward reverse motion, okay, which is ranging from 00 to 127. Default is 00. Now what does it mean? So let me show you a diagram. I have mentioned the steps here. So these are the steps, 0000. These are the bits, okay, bitwise addressing, not addressing but bitwise giving your direction. So this direction says if your step is 0, if I put 0, it means 0 represent motor will run in forward, 0 is forward, 1 is reverse. Okay, this is a representation. So I'll just write it here. So by default it's 00, which means all the bits are 0. Now suppose I want in my 7 steps, I want, hold on, let me just increase the size. Yeah, I want second step to be reverse, third is forward, fourth is reverse, fifth is forward, sixth is reverse. Okay, so to find out the, now this is, take that in binary, 1010 1010. What will be the decimal of that? That you can write here. Okay, whatever decimal you get here will be entered in that parameter. Okay, so decimal of this 101010 is, it will come out to be 42. Okay, so we have to enter 42 in this parameter 79. Okay, so let's see the parameter 79. It should be 42. Then our first step will be forward, second will be reverse, third will be forward, fourth will be reverse. So this is 42. Now let's notice that we can notice here as well. Let's go to the PLC, turn it off, turn it on. Now the first step is forward. You can see this is forward here. It will stop. Then second step is reverse. This is reverse here. Okay. Then it will stop because this is step-by-step execution. Third step is back to forward, and you can also monitor forward, reverse. Oh, there's no monitoring. This is the only way. This is reverse. Fourth step is reversed. Fifth step is forward. Fifth is 0. So fifth is forward. This is the forward LED. Sixth will be reverse. Seventh will be forward. So sixth is reverse, and the last one is forward. This was about internal PLC mode with change in directions. Okay, maybe you know in any application you may want that. So this is the 7th one in forward speed. This was just one execution, so it will stop. So that was about having different direction in the internal PLC mode. I hope that makes sense. And one more thing I'm repeating again, if you don't want PLC, just start M30. This will start the motor back to the normal mode. Okay, so PLC is optional. If you want PLC, activate that. If you don't want, just don't activate it. Alright, this is happening. Alright, thank you.